Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn how to make a ring toss game using recycled material. For that, we're gonna need 4 bottles like this one, glue, some rounded shaped material which we're gonna use to make our ring, some cardboard, also paper. I chose to decorate with colorful post-it, but you can use any kind of paper. So using a scissor, we are going to chop our paper, like this. After you chop the paper, just put inside the bottle. Do this 4 times in 4 different bottles. The end result is gonna be something like that. Now, in our cardboard, using our rounded shaped object, we are going to draw a circle. Using the smaller lid, we are going to draw the smaller circle. Do that 4 times, so we have 4 rings. Cut it, and the rings should look like that. Now I'm going to spread some glue around the rings. Same chopped paper we used to decorate our bottles, we are gonna use to decorate our rings. After you decorate with the pieces of paper, you can spread some glue, so the ring looks kind of shiny after it dries. And they will look like that. Pretty cool, huh? Now it's time for us to play. Have fun! Hope you guys had fun playing this game. See you next time, guys. Bye!